Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a premium mid-tower ATX case designed for enthusiasts focused on high airflow and efficient thermal performance. This updated model maintains the clean and minimalist design NZXT is known for, but enhances cooling with improved airflow capabilities and expanded fan support. A key highlight of the H7 Flow is the inclusion of 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, delivering strong out-of-the-box airflow. The case features a fully perforated front panel, mesh top, and spacious interior, all designed to maximize air circulation for better CPU and GPU cooling. One standout 2024 feature is support for bottom-mounted fans, allowing users to add extra cooling specifically for the graphics card. This is ideal for gamers and creators running high-performance GPUs, as it helps manage temperatures more effectively under heavy loads. The case supports a variety of cooling configurations, including up to 360mm radiators at the top and front, and offers ample clearance for large air coolers and long GPUs. The H7 Flow also offers a modern cable management system with wide cable channels, Velcro straps, and rear cable covers, making building and maintaining a clean setup easy. Additional conveniences include toolless drive installation, a removable front and top panel for easy access, and dust filters on all major intake points to help keep internal components clean. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 strikes a balance between clean aesthetics, practical features, and serious airflow. It's a great choice for PC builders looking for thermal performance, build flexibility, and modern design without needing additional case fans right away. With GPU-focused airflow support and good cable management, it's especially appealing for high-performance gaming and content creation rigs. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile mid-tower ATX PC case designed for modern builders who value modularity, aesthetics, and efficient cooling. Sold in a flat-pack format, the Qube 500 requires assembly, offering a DIY experience while reducing packaging waste, a nod to sustainability. One of the key highlights of this case is its fully modular design. Nearly every panel is removable, including the top, front, sides, and motherboard tray, allowing for flexible building options and easier hardware installation. The case supports a wide range of components, including eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, offering room for high-performance builds. Cooling support is generous. It comes with one 120mm SF black fan pre-installed at the rear, and users can install up to 7 120mm fans or dual 280mm radiators, top and bottom. This makes it ideal for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled setups. There's also support for vertical GPU mounting, letting users show off their graphics card while optimizing airflow. The case is spacious and supports large GPUs, tall CPU coolers, and ample cable management options. With a clean, modern look and innovative internal layout, the Qube 500 balances form and function. Its toolless design and easy-to-access compartments make it beginner-friendly yet advanced enough for seasoned builders. In short, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a thoughtfully designed, modular mid-tower PC case offering strong compatibility, cooling flexibility, and sustainable packaging. It's an excellent choice for users looking to build a customizable and future-proof gaming or workstation PC with both aesthetics and performance in mind. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX IWCSA3 BLK1AM120S gaming chassis is a compact yet premium quality case designed for gamers and PC builders who want a small form factor without sacrificing style or performance. Built from high-quality SECC steel and tempered glass, the A3 delivers a minimalist aesthetic with a sturdy, modern design. Its matte black finish and clean lines make it suitable for both gaming setups and professional environments. Despite its micro ATX classification, the case offers excellent component support. It accommodates micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, supports full-size ATX power supplies up to 160 mm, and has room for high-end graphics cards up to 340 mm in length. Cooling potential is strong for its size. It comes with a pre-installed InWin Luna AL120 ARGB fan at the rear, which offers vibrant lighting and effective airflow. The front and top panels support additional 120 mm or 140 mm fans or radiators, including up to 240 mm AIO coolers, ensuring users can build a capable cooling setup. Storage options include two 2.5-inch SSD mounts and one 3.5-inch HDD tray, providing a balanced mix of speed and capacity. The tempered glass side panel is toolless, making it easy to access internal components for upgrades or maintenance. Front I/O includes one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and HD audio jacks, offering modern connectivity in a convenient location. Overall, the InWin A3 is a sleek, efficient case for small builds, blending aesthetics, airflow, and expandability. It's ideal for gamers and content creators looking to build a powerful system in a compact footprint, with a RGB flair and premium build quality at a competitive price point. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium mid-tower PC case that blends elegant Scandinavian design with high-performance airflow and modern hardware support. Built as a larger version of the popular North case, the North XL accommodates EATX motherboards and high-end components, making it ideal for enthusiast PC builds. The standout feature is its charcoal black frame paired with a dark-tinted tempered glass side panel and real walnut wood slats on the front, creating a striking balance between natural aesthetics and industrial styling. The front panel not only looks stylish but also supports high airflow thanks to its mesh behind the wooden slats, helping to maintain optimal temperatures inside the case. Internally, the North XL offers excellent expandability and airflow. It supports GPUs up to 413 mm in length, large CPU air coolers up to 185 mm in height, and multiple fan and radiator configurations. The case includes three 140 mm aspect fans pre-installed, two front, one rear, for strong out-of-the-box cooling. It also supports up to a 420 mm front radiator, a rare feature in cases with strong aesthetic elements. Cable management is handled well, with Velcro straps and ample space behind the motherboard tray. Storage options include up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 4 3.5 HDDs, and the PSU shroud hides the power supply for a cleaner look. The top I/O panel includes USB-C, dual USB-A, and audio ports. Overall, the Fractal North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark combines premium design, spacious interior, and effective airflow, making it ideal for users who want both visual appeal and functionality in a large, modern PC build. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow Edition is a mid-tower ATX case designed for PC builders who want a stylish, high-performance chassis with excellent cooling support and display aesthetics. This model, CA1Y700M6WN01, features a sleek snow-white finish and includes three pre-installed 120 mm RGB fans for vibrant lighting and efficient airflow right out of the box. One of its key highlights is the dual tempered glass panels on the front and side, which provide a clear view of internal components and ARGB lighting. This makes it ideal for showcasing custom builds, especially with RGB setups. The case supports motherboards up to EATX size, offering flexibility for high-end components and expansion. Cooling performance is a priority in the View 270 Plus, with room to mount up to a 360 mm radiator at the front or top, making it compatible with high-performance liquid cooling systems. There's also space for additional fans, providing up to 7 fan mounting locations in total. Internally, the layout is designed for easy cable management, tool-free drive installation, and good airflow. It supports GPUs up to 420mm, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and power supplies up to 220mm in length, giving it compatibility with a wide range of hardware. Thermaltake includes a 3-year warranty, which adds peace of mind for long-term users. With its combination of clean aesthetics, cooling versatility, and tempered glass design, the View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a visually striking and thermally capable rig.